So far, okay naman po yung nagiging takbo ng trainings namin and inaayos po namin yung chemistry namin, especially this coming Reinforced Conference na may kasama po kami foreign player. We're very happy as well na nakuha namin si Nasia. I think yung familiarity po sa court, ayun na lang po yung kailangan namin in college. Since sobrang lapit na rin po ng games namin. So, mag-double time lang po kami sa practice ngayon. Well, for me, yung pressure nandun pa rin talaga. Lalo na yung expectations from the management, from the coaches, from all the supporters. But then again, we will take this as a challenge, as a motivation para maging maganda pa yung papakita namin laro sa upcoming games namin. And for sure, pagbubutihan namin each game. Thank you.